Good day everyone. My name is Kin Damilis, Base Cream third year students. I will recite the parts and function of this vehicle. First is the side mirror where we can see the rear view of the back. Second is the wiper, the headlight, low and high, and hazard and brake light. Next is the gas where you can put the gasoline. Next is the hazard and brake light.
Sige.
And this is it. This is to how to open the door. And this is the roll up window. You can turn up or turn down. So this is the clutch, the brake, and the accelerator. Accelerator. One, part light and headlight. And if you up, this is the
High.
high beam,
Passing.
and how to open the door. And this is the ito ko na.
Roll up window.
Ah,
Roll up window.
this is the gana. So those are the parts of the inner and outer of this vehicle. Again, my name is Kin Damilis, Base Cream third year student. Thank you.